I do like these sweets. Very, very nice touch from Tavex. Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now today's video is sponsored by Tavex Bullion. Now Tavex have sent me this package for you guys to be able to see the items inside and for me to be able to review it here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to try and open it without ripping it to bits. Now they did email me and they gave me an idea of what they're sending me. It's two 5-gram gold bars in this delivery, so we should see what 5-gram gold bars they are. As always from Tavex, they do very nice packaging and sweets. I do like the Tavex sweets, so I'll be having one of those in a moment. Okay, so here we've got a nice packaging with Tavex. There's the front, and you've got the Tavex seal. So let's not mess about and let's just cut through the seal. God, be better if I didn't have a blunt knife. Here we go. Let's have a look. Another delivery from Tavex. Wow, so the first two items we have are a 5-gram Valcambi Swiss gold bar. A beautiful piece. In fact, I've never actually even held a Valcambi 5-gram gold bar or any type of Valcambi. So let's take a closer look. So here you can see the writing on the front. It's very clean. The edges look very polished. It's actually very, very good quality. It's not as bespoke as something like the Royal Mint's pieces, but normally with sort of a Valcambi bar, I know they're a bit cheaper. So it's probably more for a precious metals investor and stacker who's looking just to simply buy for the weight gold content, not for any commemorative or bespoke design. Pretty cool. This packaging is nice. It's similar to, you know, the standard 5-gram packaging that you get for any sort of 5-gram gold bar bullion. It's sort of a plastic material that's sealed together, and the actual surround around the 5-gram gold bar actually has like a outwards part to it, so it gives it a bit of extra protection. Feels quite solid. And then you've got the information down the bottom here. It says assay certificate 999.9. The weight is 5 grams, and it's got the certified assayer there. Pretty cool indeed. That is the Valcambi Swiss 5-gram gold bar. Now, should we take a look at the second one? The second one is a Pamp 2023 Good Luck bar. Now, this is pretty awesome because this is not your standard sort of gold bullion. In fact, I've never bought, nor have I ever held a particularly designed piece like this I've got in my hands. So it's got 2023 Good Luck on, and it comes in this funky packaging from Pamp. Now, I've done quite a few videos on Pamp before, so this will be interesting to see. Wow, really nice. Really, really nice. Wow, I hope this is showing up well on camera. You can see, obviously, what is the Good Luck cat on the front. And I think that is the Chinese writing. I need to research that, but I think that's Chinese writing. Wow, and some lovely detail on the reverse. Pamp Swiss, 5-gram fine gold. Again, 999, 4 nines. And it's got 0095. That is the certificate number. I guess that is like this is item 95. Very cool. I like the packaging. Very funky. With the flowers on the reverse, the information. And the design, it's really impressive. Really impressive. Can you see that? You've got like the, what do they call them? They're like the celebration sort of balloons that they have in sort of East Asia. And then you've got the flowers down the bottom. Really nice. I'm actually quite surprised how much I like this. Look at the detail. Very, very nice. It's up there with sort of the Royal Mint's level of detail, isn't it? All of my other Pamp gold bars, they're kind of plain. Well, not too plain. They have, you know, the Lady Fortuna on the front. But, yeah, this is very detailed. It's got all sorts of embezzlement in the background. Looks like the writing there is raised up. And the sort of East Asia balloons are sort of beveled as well. The cat has lots of design. And the flowers at the bottom. Very, very cool. Something different from Pamp. I'm interested to know if many of you guys would buy something like this, or whether you would think it would be a better idea to stick to, say, your standard generic Pamp Bullion Gold Bar, like the blue ones that I own, or maybe you're someone that is specifically looking for this 2023 Good Luck Gold Bar. Awesome. So there's the two pieces next to each other. A lovely delivery from Tavex for me to review. So thank you very much to Tavex for entrusting me to, look after these and review them. Overall, I've got to say I'm impressed. Out of the two, which one would I rather have? Difficult to say. I imagine this one fetches a bit of a premium because it's a bespoke design and sort of a commemorative edition piece, whereas this one is, more plain, more simple, and simply for probably stackers who are just looking for weight value for an investment, not really commemorative edition sort of reasons. So if I was going to buy the two, the Pamp 2023 Good Luck Bar is a better design. Seems like it's had much more effort put into it. But for me personally, in my stack, I think I'd actually rather have the Valcambi Swiss bar because there's no doubt it's cheaper, and I'm stacking more so for the reasons of just putting my money in weighted gold. Now, I do own a few commemorative edition pieces, so I'm not saying like I'm against that. I own Lunar and the Lion silver bar, No Time to Die silver bars, and everything else is pretty much Britannia's. But yeah, I'd say I'd probably go for this one because I imagine it's cheaper. What I'll do is I'll put up a price sort of guide between the two. So if you are wondering how much this one is and how much this one is, you can see that here for the comparison. But overall, a very nice delivery from Tavex. And yeah, I'm impressed. 2 5-gram gold bars. A good investment, 5-gram gold bars, because as we know, it's a very happy medium when it comes to fractional gold. There is a love-hate relationship when it comes to fractional gold, with people that don't think you should buy it because of the large premiums. I'm opposite to that. I think you should buy fractional gold because I think in the future it will be one of those assets that only is affordable to new investors, because I think anything upwards of 5 gram is going to be out of touch and out of reach for most people in the next few decades. But I got one of Tavex Bullion Sweets here, and I can't finish the video without having one of them, because I've had them before when they sent me the 1 kilogram Silver Britannia coin, which I ended up buying from them. But I do like these sweets. Very, very nice touch from Tavex. Overall, very nice that they come in this box. I imagine if you buy a multiple like of 2 5-gram gold bars, then it would probably come in a box like this. So very, very cool. Make sure you let me know in the comment section which ones you liked the most. And as always, until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. It's a thumbs up from me for the sweets. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.